Welcome to Automated Trading. In this video, you'll discover the power of backtesting automated trading bots. Let's dive in. Is backtesting in crypto trading essential? Backtesting is the process of running a trading strategy against historical market data to see how it would have performed in the past. Done correctly, it gives traders confidence that a bot has the potential to succeed in live markets. Done poorly, it can lead to false expectations and painful losses.
What is backtesting in crypto trading?
Backtesting is like a time machine for traders. Instead of waiting weeks or months to see how a strategy works, our bots perform backtesting that simulates trades instantly using past data. For example, if your bot is designed to scalp Bitcoin using a moving average crossover, backtesting will show you how that strategy would have performed during the last bull run, the last bear market, or even sideways markets. Why backtesting matters for automated trading bots. Automated trading bots are only as good as the strategies that power them. Without backtesting, running a bot is like flying blind. Here's why backtesting is a must. First, it reduces risk. By seeing how our bot reacts to past conditions, we avoid bot strategies that fail in volatile markets. Next, it improves strategy. Backtesting highlights strengths and weaknesses, so a bot can tweak settings before going live. And it saves time and money. Instead of losing capital in live trades, the bot is tested in a simulated environment. And last, it builds confidence. Data-driven results help traders trust their bots instead of relying on emotion. Look at backtesting as your first line of defense. Automated trading bots can be powerful, but they're not magic, and of course, performance isn't guaranteed. Think of it as your first line of defense before risking real capital. And when combined with smart optimization, risk management, and ongoing monitoring, backtesting can transform a simple trading bot into a profitable long-term strategy. Unlock 14 days of free automated trading. No risk, just results. Start now at AutomatedTrading.io.